It was close.
Today I'm driving and I'm heading to my motorbike classes. I'm gonna show you how it goes. I can't wait to be like really good in it and have a couple of nice motorbikes. I just get fascinated by motorbikes. Anyway, let's go. Almost there. So my training is taking place here at Marist International University. This is where my training is taking place. Let's go. Just arrived and this is my training ground. Look at that lift. Amazing. So I'm heading to train now. If you're afraid, someone who's afraid of learning how to ride a bike like me, you can come here and train with professionals. In fact, when I was learning how to cycle, people told me that you must fall down in order to know. I never fell down even once, and I'm good. So this is for my hair. I'm gearing up. Okay, we're ready. Let's go. This is how you gear up. So the helmet and it go.
Any, we are going to change, so you can start any.
One thing I need to master is starting the bike. I don't know what really happens. Sometimes I miss the friction point and the bike ends up going off, or maybe I release the clutch too fast and the bike just goes off. My biggest challenge is riding on gear 1 because at that time I always feel like the motorbike is quite heavy. Hence, I wobble a lot. I lose stability when I'm on gear 1. But my favorite is gear 3 and gear 4 because I move like really fast. I feel the bicycle is light. I just feel like I'm going.
Look up.
Join me as I take you through some of the drills that I am taking in this learning journey. I hope you enjoy it and kindly smash the like button and let's do this. I've taken my first break. I need to take a water break. Riding a bike requires you to be good with food. So I carried some fruit, some bananas. So here's my banana. For energy, bananas.
Good. Turn your head. Turn your head. Look at me.
There are a lot of drills that you have to learn. For instance, going around a small circle that they have created with the blue cones, if you can see, and then you have to also go in and out of the cones. Basically, it just teaches you on how to maneuver around obstacles on the road, and you know, to just learn your balance, how to go through corners and all that. May I have bananas? Do you take bananas? Half a banana. No, you just can take
If I eat full, unless I can share a malibu, food.
And I'm with one of the finest here, Pilipili Ndogo.
Who are you talking to?
I'm just making a diary.
Oh, when you become famous, I'll be. What's up? Day 2, she did well. Yeah, ignore the grumpy old man on the sidelines. She did well.
No, you did not.
She just needs to work on her posture. She did not stall as many times today. It's just posture. And she'll get there.
Mm-hmm.
She'll get there. Just relax. I'm also a small girl. A big... It's already light enough. I don't know if I need to look.
Jesse, I have a banana here.
Thank you very much. How was it today?
What do you think?
Well, I think
wait. You saw me on the first date. No, yesterday I didn't come.
Oh, okay.
I also didn't come yesterday.
Yeah.
And today, so what do you think?
I think you're making progress.
I'm making progress.
I think you're making, toward the end of the year, you're a little bit more comfortable.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. But your learning curve is quite steep. So you hadn't ridden a bicycle, yeah?
Yeah, I'd never ridden a bicycle. In
That's what I'm
fact,
saying.
I was avoiding, you know, when I was told that in order to learn how to ride a bike, I have to start with a bicycle. Nilisema kwisha nimepatikana because I've always avoided it. On this day, I am still doing the same drills as well as learning how to change gears from gear 1 to 2 to 3 and even to 4. So this is one of my favorite parts. I really struggle with small circles, which I really need to perfect, but going round the whole field is my favorite because it's just a walk in the park at this point. I really don't struggle with that at all. So more drills.
Amefanya nini different?
Amekuja wide.
Oh, the secret is coming wide.
Yeah, you can always come in wide. Like, you have to choose the space available to you. So if you come in tight, it's gonna be a tight turn. But if you come in like wide, you can give yourself like a wider angle ya kuingia.
Come back to me. I want you to do a full circle.
Just one more lap, basi. Clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Sawa?
You're looking at the grass, you're leaning forward. Back straight. When you're turning, look over your shoulder, don't look down.
How did you get it to start my left?
by now I'm very comfortable changing gears from gear 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, and I love it. So now I'm just riding on only gear 3 and 4, and it's amazing. You don't get tired. The motorbike is light. It's just so much fun. You don't even want to stop riding. You just want to keep going.
Wow! It was close. You move away kidogo from the path in case I do another lap.
Another thing I love about the training center that I have enrolled with is that the trainers are very friendly. You don't even feel like you are in school or in class or in some training center learning. They are super friendly and they motivate you. Even when you're making a mistake, they correct you. They don't make you feel bad. So it's quite easy, especially for someone to learn. It's a very friendly environment for anyone who would want to learn a motorbike, and that's very important for me. So this is the guy who's training me how to ride. So far, how am I progressing?
Well, actually, let's just say it's me.
You're the fucking second.
These are the kind of people.
Discipline. You don't laugh in class.
I'm not lying. Laughing at what her progress is. I was anticipating your answer.
Was that correct?
Okay, so so far, how's my progress?
Could be better. That's what I can say. But at least when you're making progress, your posture, you need to work on your posture. You stiffen up a lot.
I want to go for lunch around here.
I don't know this. You're messing up the interview.
Yes. Hang up on your stomach.
When you're on the road, you're supposed to concentrate where you're going. Do like the interviewer.
But what about my ears? What about my ears? Huh? I'm getting distracted.
Cars on your part.
They're too loud. This car is too loud.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to relax a bit more. You're totally tensing up, especially when you slow, when the bike slows down. But once you pick up speed, you're okay.
Yeah.
Once you slow down, you tense up, you're overthinking. The wobble is natural, but you see, there's a speed you're going at which you're still comfortable. You're the one anticipating the wobble. It's all there. You've actually checked it out. You lean forward this way. So then,
and I become combative.
Yes.
It's like I'm ready to fight with it.
So definitely the bike now, you're just putting a lot of tension on yourself. But you can do this. As you said, you've done it before.
No, me.
You did it too. You did the same.
Yes, I did it, and even have a video about it. She recorded me, and I don't know if it's fatigue or what. And then Sasa, yeah.
This consistency. Sometimes you can end up just overthinking things.
Okay.
But if you did it before, then you can do it again.
All right.
And then you'll become consistent, and you'll be fine.
All right. All right. Thank you so much.
Welcome.